Hi.
Hey! So here we are in our backyard, and we talked a couple weeks ago about doing a backyard transformation, and we've been talking about this for years, literally years.
We're gonna do it.
And we are doing it. It's happening. So I'll just give you a little peek, and you'll see
so much stuff we cut down.
Yeah,
That's
this
all the
was
trees
bushes and trees, and then as I turn, you'll start to see the rest of the yard and lots of weeds and our dog. And so back to us. So this is one of the ways that we are
connecting.
Yeah,
First of all,
having a
doing
good
something
time together. Yeah, getting outside, being active. It really pulls in so much of what we love about life. So it's being in nature, it's actually concentrating on a project and from start to finish and
creating something beautiful that we're gonna enjoy when we come out here.
Yeah, so we want to be able to use our backyard for retreats and all kinds of things. We have lots of plans. So join us in our journey, and if you've done this, give us some tips. We're looking for tips.
Right.
So so we hope you enjoy following us on our journey for our backyard transformation. All right. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. I thought he'd be able to pull it down. Maybe I'm a little crazy. So this is another part of the yard. This was all covered by a giant bush. This bush here was completely overgrown, and as you may see in some pictures from our day where we chopped down some dead trees, we lost some trees because of the drought. So this is the area that we spent a couple of hours today clearing. So this empty area on the patio had a day bed that was messy and dirty, and this table, which you'll see in some pictures in this video, was full of junk. So what we did today was clear some space. It needs a lot of work. We had some plants there that died, so that's the only one still living. And we have lots of partially neglected plants. And then we have a fountain there that we'd like to get going. It's one of those ones where it keeps recirculating water. So it doesn't take a lot of water to maintain, and the birds love it. And it stopped working about 2 years ago. And our backyard was quite neglected. So there's our pomegranate tree, which is in bloom, and a lemon tree, and we lost, pardon the sun,